An attacker may send malicious emails to employees in order to target an organization. So as a professional ethical hacker, you should be able to trace emails, right? So we will going to use a tool called Email Tracker Pro. See, in order to trace an email, we will going to analyze its headers, okay, headers of malicious emails. And Email Tracker Pro is a tool which will going to help us in order to know the exact geolocation from which the email has been sent, okay. It will tell us about ISP and DNS. So let's go to emailtrackerpro.com and then click on download. Again, for the Windows version, click download. Okay, so let it download. It says compatibility Windows XP 7 and 8, but don't worry, it will also work on Windows 10. Okay, I have used it in my Windows 10. Downloading completed. Let's install it. Next, I agree. Next, install. Let me pause this video. So the installation has been completed and this is how our tool looks like. Okay, now let's open email. And let me go to gmail.com. Let's open it. It's loading. Okay, now let's open a random email. Maybe this one. So we will try to trace this email. Now, first of all, click here on these three dots. Okay, and then click on show original, right? Okay, so we have our original message. Click on copy to clipboard. As I have clicked on copy to clipboard, it has copied the header. Okay, and or you can manually copy this as well. Okay, so this is the header, right? Now let's move to our tool and go to file, click on trace headers. Okay, and paste the copied header here, and now simply click on trace. Okay, now it will start tracing the email. Go to my trace reports and you will see the progress. Okay, the process has now been completed, and as you can see, the location is showing that USA. Okay, and these are the hops between sender and receiver. Okay, and this is the mail server Google has been used to send me an email. Okay, and this is the IP address, right? So this is how you can trace an email and find out whether it is genuine or not. Okay, so you can trace any email that you want. And but see guys, this is a trial version. Okay, it is available for 15 days period, right?